Hey, good morning. I'm going for a bike ride. It's 23 Celsius. I better get going. It's been a while, so wish me luck. And I'll talk to you later. I have a video in mind for later. You're going to like it, I think. Talk to you soon. Ciao. And that's it. Senora's done her bike ride. I'm telling you, I'm pooped. Way to go, Senora Liliana. 35 minutes on the bike ride. Oh, and that's it. Half an hour. I am pooped and sweaty. Oh, put this back on. Oh, oh my God. 25 Celsius at 7:30 till 8. Half an hour ride. I am hot. I usually only ride a bike when I have to wash my hair that day. Because my son won't let me ride a bike without a helmet. He says, do you want a concussion or good hair? Oh, I guess he's right. I don't want a concussion. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. It should be interesting. I'm doing an experiment. And you've all done this experiment. I'm just showing you what happens in what's called time lapse. Okay, see you next time. Mwah.